Some motorcycles don't follow trends, they define them. They roll into your memory like a legend, then disappear, only to return decades later, bigger, bolder, and more capable than ever. For riders who've chased sand dunes, mud trails, and snowy paths, there's a name that stands above all: Yamaha Big Wheel. And now, the legend evolves. Introducing the 2026 Yamaha BW350, the biggest, most capable big wheel Yamaha has ever built. On Acer Rider, we'll explore its design, engine, performance, and off-road mastery, and at the end reveal a surprise challenge that will push this monster to its limits. Because this isn't just a bike, it's a lifestyle on oversized tires, the big wheel legacy. To understand the BW350, you have to know the story of the big wheels. In the mid-1980s, Yamaha launched the BW200, a radical off-road machine with massive balloon tires designed to float over sand, snow, and mud. It was playful, rugged, and instantly iconic. The BW200 inspired a cult following. Riders loved its simplicity, versatility, and the sheer joy of gliding over terrain that stopped conventional motorcycles in their tracks. The BW350 is the logical evolution, retaining the fun and accessibility of the original, but supercharged for the modern adventurer. Bigger engine, bigger wheels, bigger possibilities, design bold, functional, iconic. The 2026 BW350 carries the big wheel DNA forward while updating it with modern technology. Its oversized tires, BA 26-9-14 up front and 26-12-12 at the rear, dominate its stance. They're engineered to float, cross soft surfaces like sand and snow while maintaining traction on rugged trails. The frame is a reinforced steel backbone, lightweight yet rugged. The bodywork is minimal but purposeful. A sculpted fuel tank, simple side panels, and Yamaha's classic blue and white color scheme. The LED headlight and taillight are compact, modern, and durable. The digital LCD dash is small but informative, displaying speed, gear, and fuel with simplicity. Every line screams adventure, not for show, but for performance. Engine torque, control, and reliability. Powering the BW350 is a 346cc air and oil-cooled single-cylinder engine. It delivers approximately 28 horsepower and 30 Nm of torque, tuned for low-end grunt and controlled fun. Fuel injection replaces carburetors of the past, giving smoother starts and more reliable performance in any climate. The 5-speed transmission is perfectly geared for off-road riding. Short enough to climb, tall enough to cruise. The engine keeps maintenance simple. True to Yamaha's big wheel philosophy, oil changes, valve checks, and spark plugs are all accessible. A bike designed to survive years of hard off-road adventures. It's not about top speed, it's about confidence and fun, wherever the trail takes you. The BW350's suspension has been upgraded for modern off-road demands. The front features a 43mm telescopic fork with 220mm of travel, while the rear employs a link-type monoshock with 200mm of travel. The oversized tires, combined with long travel suspension, allow the BW350 to float over sand dunes, snow, and mud with ease. Even inexperienced riders can navigate soft or loose terrain confidently. At 145 kilograms, it's heavier than the BW200, but the balance and geometry make it surprisingly easy to control. The wide handlebars and upright ergonomics keep riders centered, whether crawling over obstacles or charging down trails. Braking has been modernized with hydraulic discs front and rear, paired with switchable ABS optimized for off-road conditions. The large tires and wide track ensure that even on loose surfaces, braking remains predictable and safe. The long, flat seat allows riders to shift their weight easily, standing, leaning, crouching, providing maximum control in unpredictable terrain. The BW350's EFI system, lightweight frame and efficient engine provide an impressive 338 km/liter. The 8.5-liter fuel tank gives riders a practical 250-300 km range, more than enough for remote trails and extended beach rides. This bike is ready for adventure. whether for an afternoon off-road session or a multi-day expedition. What sets the BW350 apart isn't just the technical specs, it's the character. Every ride feels like an adventure playground. The oversized tires make obstacles easier, soft surfaces manageable, and slippery terrain playful. It's forgiving yet exciting, allowing riders to experiment, explore, and laugh on the trail. Unlike conventional dual sports, it doesn't demand precision or aggressiveness. It encourages curiosity, play, and confidence, a true big-wheel spirit. The 2026 Yamaha BW350 is more than an evolution. It's a revolution in fun. It takes the original BW200's joy and amplifies it. Larger engine, larger tires, modern suspension, EFE reliability. It's still simple, accessible, and endlessly playful. It's not about beating lap times or dominating racetracks. It's about freedom and smiles. For riders young or old, experienced or beginner, the BW350 invites you to explore places most motorcycles won't reach. It's bold, capable, and unapologetically fun. The surprise Big Wheel Expedition Challenge, and now, the surprise. On Acer Rider, we're taking the BW350 on a big wheel expedition, a multi-day adventure across desert dunes, forest trails, and snowy fields, alongside the classic BW200, for a true past-meets-present off-road challenge. We'll see how the BW350 handles extreme conditions, soft terrain, and long distances, testing its legendary float and control in the real world. And one lucky subscriber will win a Yamaha BW Adventure Kit, including riding gloves, a jersey, and a 1/12 collector's model of the 2026 BW350. So stay tuned, subscribe, and comment below. If you could take the BW350 anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would it be? Because here on Acer Rider, adventure isn't just a ride, it's a lifestyle.